Alright, so the peer effects in school, that's what our presentation's about. About this article studies how teens are influenced by their surroundings, like parents and their groups they're in. Pretty much that study just shows how much they have an influence on them and just puts that into studies. Uh, this survey, there was 1,000 schools and they sample size and took all the teens in, and there's a total of 26,000 eighth graders. They used different schools and everything, and the researchers sampled students within the chosen schools. Information was also collected from the family of the students and the teachers and faculty.
Over two follow-up surveys took place every 2 years until 1944. The original survey took place in 1988, and they followed them throughout their high school career. The first graph is drug use, and the drug use had a lower rate. Graph 2 is cigarette smoking, and it had a mild rate. Dropping out also had a lower rate, and church attendance had a higher rate in the percent of students.
Okay, and the results of the experiment was that a positive relationship between the parents and children. The parents helped their kids with school and were good models, so the probability of the kid taking drugs and smoking and drinking would go down. And the parents who smoked and did not go to mass and weren't in their children's lives, the likelihood was the children would take drugs and smoke and drink and probably not go to mass. And then the conclusions are children follow their parents and older siblings. Parents have a bigger impact than the children. The children see their parents drink a lot, the children will follow in their footsteps too. And when children see their parents go to mass, they tend to go to. And children that follow their parents better have solid numbers.
In our first additional article, it followed basically smoking and how children follow their parents and their smoking habits, and like households that have heavy smokers and children and their sibling and are more likely to smoke. The sibling is 15 times more likely to smoke if the household is a heavy smoking rather than non-smoking. Our second additional article explains how a parent should be there emotionally for a child, because if they're not, then a child will just hide their emotions and then they'll just erupt eventually and they won't know how to take care of them.